Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple tomato salad. I'm not using anything Japanese in this dish, so you can whip it up with things you already have in your kitchen. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tomato salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 to 4 tomato depending on the size, 1 onion, 100 ml vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar today, but any vinegar will do. 50 ml vegetable oil. I'm using canola oil today. 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of salt. Onion first. Cut the top and the bottom off. Remove the skin. Cut it into half and slice it thinly, very thin. Very thin and fluffy. Let's release this in cold water and leave for 10 minutes. And tomato. You just need to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Remove the stem and just cut. Let's put it in the large bowl. Back to the onion. Take some and squeeze it really well. Then into the bowl. Let's add all the seasonings. Vinegar, vegetable oil, salt, and honey. Give it a mix. Let it sit for 10 minutes in the fridge and it's done. Serve in the bowl. This is totally optional, but if you want to add some Japanese kick to it, you can put some shiso, Japanese basil on top. Snap off the stem. Make thin slices. Fluff it on top of the salad. And simple tomato salad is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。So refreshing. It's perfect for a hot summer day. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Tomato salad is the side, so it goes here. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. The salad is so easy and quick to make, so let's have something little complicated and time consuming for the main. So how about terimayo karaage, which will also cover the rice. Eggplant miso soup or any soup you like here, and enjoy! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!